Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you a platform that's been generating quite a bit of buzz lately. Today we're going to thoroughly break down an interesting way to make some extra money online with a platform called JumpTask. If you're looking for a legitimate and, most importantly, accessible way to earn some extra income from the comfort of your home, with no prior experience required, JumpTask could be a great option for you. Throughout this video, we'll explore what exactly it is, how it works, what kind of tasks you can expect, and most importantly, how you can sign up and start earning today. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and without further ado, let's get started. Part 1. What is JumpTask and why might it be for you? To start, let's talk about what JumpTask is. Think of it as a microtask platform or a get-paid-to-GPT site. Essentially, it pays you to complete simple, quick activities in your free time. It's a website where you can monetize actions you probably already do regularly online, such as watching videos, discovering new games, or even following social media accounts. Now, let's be completely transparent. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, nor will it replace your full-time job. Think of it more as a way to earn money for a treat, pay for a subscription, or simply have some hassle-free extra income. How does this model work? It's simple. JumpTask acts as a bridge between businesses that need to increase their visibility and reach and users like you, who are willing to perform these tasks in exchange for a reward. Businesses pay the platform to have users complete these activities, creating an ecosystem where both you and the platform benefit. In essence, you're exchanging a bit of your time and attention for real money, specifically cryptocurrency. And don't worry, I'll walk you through that part later. Part 2. How to start earning with JumpTask step-by-step guide. Once you sign up and log into your account, the first thing you'll see is the JumpTask dashboard. The interface is quite intuitive and shows you all the available earning opportunities at a glance. Here you'll find a wide range of tasks organized into different categories, such as small tasks and mega earning opportunities, allowing you to filter and choose the type of activity that best suits your time and the effort you want to put into it at that moment. One of JumpTask's biggest advantages is its flexibility. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, whether that's from your couch, on public transportation, or while waiting in a coffee shop. The process to get started is incredibly simple and boils down to 3 key steps. Sign up. The first step is, obviously, creating an account. Complete tasks. Once logged in, you can start exploring and completing the tasks that interest you. Collect your earnings. And finally, when you've accumulated enough earnings, you can withdraw your funds. To start earning, simply click this Start Earning button. The platform will ask you to choose your topics of interest, such as gaming, cryptocurrency, or social media. This is great because it helps personalize the tasks shown to you, making the experience more relevant and entertaining for you. Then, you can easily sign up with your Google account, which greatly speeds up the process. In literally a couple of minutes, you'll be logged in and ready to generate your first cents. Part 3. A crucial step. Connecting your cryptocurrency wallet. Now, before you jump into completing tasks, there's one crucial step you can't skip. To maximize your earnings and, most importantly, to receive your payments, you need to connect a cryptocurrency wallet. JumpTask operates with cryptocurrencies, including its own token called JMPT, to process payments quickly and with low fees. The most recommended and easiest to use wallet, especially for beginners, is MetaMask. If you're already in the crypto world, you're probably familiar with it. If not, don't panic. It's basically a secure digital wallet that installs as an extension in your browser. The process to connect MetaMask is very simple and will only take a couple of minutes. Within your JumpTask dashboard, find and click on the Add Wallet or Connect Wallet option. In the menu that appears, select MetaMask. A MetaMask pop-up window will open. Log into your account, or if you don't have one, it will guide you through creating one. It's a free and quick process. Finally, MetaMask will ask you to confirm the connection with JumpTask. Click Connect, and that's it. This step is vital. Without a connected wallet, you won't be able to receive your funds, are the money you earn. Think of it like linking your bank account to a job app, but in the digital world. Tip: as a small starter task, JumpStack often offers a small instant reward, like 1 cent, just for following them on their X, formerly Twitter, account. It's an easy way to earn your first cent and get familiar with the system. Part 4. Task types and how to maximize your earnings now for the fun part. What kind of tasks can you do? The variety is wide and constantly updated. Some common examples include watching YouTube videos. You might be asked to watch a specific video for a certain amount of time, like it, and sometimes click a link in the description to validate the task and receive your reward. Following social media accounts. Tasks as simple as following a profile on X, joining a Telegram channel, or liking a Facebook page. These are usually small but instant payouts. Testing games and apps. This is often where the mega wins are found. You might be asked to download a mobile game, like World of Warships or Raid, Shadow Legends, and reach a certain level or play for a few minutes to complete the task. But the opportunities don't stop there. JumpStack has integrations and partnerships to help you earn even more. One of the most interesting is with HoneyGain. For those unfamiliar, HoneyGain is a passive income app that uses a small portion of your unused internet connection to harvest public data for companies. It's completely safe and anonymous. By activating HoneyGain through JumpStack and using its special code, you can activate a bonus mode that significantly increases your passive earnings. And of course, we can't forget the referral program. It's very generous. If you invite your friends to join JumpStack with your personal link, you'll earn a 10% lifetime commission on all the earnings they generate. Imagine having several active friends. It's an excellent source of passive income. Keep an eye on JumpStack's social media and Discord server. They sometimes post bonus codes that you can redeem for instant extra cash. Part 5. Withdrawing your earnings, the best part. Okay, you've worked hard, accumulated a decent amount of money, and now you want to see the fruits of your labor. The process for withdrawing your earnings is very simple. Head to the Withdraw section on your dashboard. You'll see your available balance and your connected wallet, MetaMask, in this case. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Payments are processed in the platform's cryptocurrency, which you can then keep in your wallet, exchange for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or convert to your local currency through an exchange. JumpStack is a proven platform, and if you take a look at the user rankings on its website, you'll see that some people have earned significant amounts, proving that it really pays and works. In conclusion, JumpStack isn't a magic formula for instant riches, but it is undoubtedly a legitimate, accessible, and quite entertaining tool for earning extra money online. The variety of tasks, ease of use, and transparent payment system via cryptocurrency make it a very attractive option for anyone looking for additional income without high barriers to entry. If you're willing to dedicate a little of your free time, you can definitely see results. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video until the end. If you enjoyed this guide on how to make money with JumpStack, I would greatly appreciate a like and subscription to the channel. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, where we'll show you more ways to generate extra income and work from home. If you have any questions, concerns, or want to share your own experience with JumpStack, leave us a comment below. We love reading your opinions and answering your questions. See you in the next video. See you later.